I'm Jerry Kachur. I live here with my wife Rhonda, and we've lived here a little over 30 years. So as far as the project goes, it's gone very well. Owen, as I said, has come out a couple times to get the plan going, and we've had the subcontractors are very easy to work with to do the underground wiring, and now we've got the MV guys out here to probably disconnect the wire and then figure out what they got to do to connect it. It's gone very well. Very happy with the project. We're just happy to have them to be able to provide. The rates are reasonable. The customer service is fantastic. So I don't know we could ask for much more.
Hello, this is Lee. I've been a lineman at Minnesota Valley Electric for the last 25 years. Moving a house is no small feat. It's a complex operation that often requires careful coordination, especially when power lines are involved. At MVEC, we understand the challenges of these moves. While they're not common, we assist in 1 or 2 house moves per year. Sometimes that means lifting as many as a dozen lines, often in the quiet of night, to ensure safe passage for these large structures. It's all part of our commitment to serving our community.
Hi, I'm Mike, crew supervisor at MVEC. When we replace poles, scheduled exchanges usually take between 1 and 4 hours once on site. It all depends on terrain, pole type, and weather. Most of the time, we're able to keep the power on during the replacement, so members experience little to no disruption. But when we have unplanned replacements, like after a storm or accident, it could take much longer. No matter the situation, our crews always prioritize safety and efficiency to get the job done right.
At MVEC, safety is more than a priority, it's a commitment. A dozen team members from across our organization serve on our safety committee, meeting monthly to develop a culture of safety for our colleagues in the field and the office. In 2024, MVEC's team collectively dedicated 580 hours to safety training. Our goal is for all team members to get home safely every day. Public safety information is featured in our newsletters, on our website, and across social media. Did you know we offer free electrical safety demonstrations? We can visit your local community for an interactive tabletop demonstration helping children and adults understand the dangers of electricity.